If you think making money couldn't be easier, then I'm here to prove you wrong. Today, I'll be showing you a mind-blowing money-making strategy that you can do without any hard effort at all. And it's going to be something that will be easily available for you to do no matter where you are in the world in order to make money online. By perusing emails for 40 to 50 minutes, you can acquire $25, and you can do this simply on your own phone. You can do this from any place on the planet, and think about this. You can do this however many times you want every day. So if you spend more than a few hours doing this, then that's already a lot of money. Anybody can do it with practically no experience. Additionally, it's totally free. You don't need to bother with paying any cash to get everything rolling, so stay present because I'm demonstrating how to acquire more than $100 consistently by reading emails. In this video, I'll tell you the best way to make hassle-free and effortless income just by browsing, as well as a few different things you can do to produce cash online. I know it might sound unbelievable given how easy it sounds, but don't worry. I'm going to show you everything step by step, so make sure you pay attention in every single second of this video. Or else, you might do the wrong thing and end up getting confused. If you do something wrong, you might not even be able to make money. This website is also 100% legit. It isn't an MLM, and it doesn't require you to sell anything to anyone. It's easy, simple, and just requires you a little bit of effort to complete tasks. Nothing too hard. We'll teach you everything you need to know about these websites. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more tips like this on our channel. Ring that notification bell and share this with all your friends so that you and everyone else will know of this great tip to earn money online. So why don't we get started? Earlier, I told you that you can make a lot of money just by going through a few emails. I'm sure you're already so curious about that because honestly, I would too. What I'll be showing you today are things that are easy to accomplish, whether you're in your room at your PC or elsewhere. First, I'd like you to go to Vendel.com. As you may have observed on this website, it guarantees that you can bring in cash by doing reviews for various products, services, or digital assets. Although that is indeed something that you can do easily, that's not necessarily what I'll be teaching you today. On this website, you'll be paid straightforwardly to your record on this site, which you can cash out into PayPal or your bank account. It's completely hassle-free and there's no delays on the payout at all. So what you need to do is make a totally free account on this site. where you can see that they have a number of offers to exploit, like reading emails. So, they offer an assortment of easy tasks that you can do, and the others that revolve around reading emails are typically $10 to $15 per task, and they are the ones that will present to you the most cash. Once you create your account and check out their dashboard, you'll notice that they have a great deal of different classifications depending on the available tasks. There's a category for cars and trucks, politics and current events, sports, home improvement, popular restaurants, new technology, health and beauty, shopping and fashion, travel and leisure. But I will let you in on a little secret right away, that the category where you can make the most money out of is the shopping and fashion category. This is normally the one where you can make the most bang out of your bucks and make the most compensation out of any other categories available. So, after you enter these categories, you'll notice a lot of other unique posting and occupation postings for perusing emails, which is the speediest technique to get cash. But most of these fall under the micro-tasks classification, where you'll be able to make money a lot of times, but it isn't a lot all at once and it isn't the most steady. So, if you want to draw out some serious cash for you, then do with the least measure of work or which one you like doing the most. To get started, just immediately click the sign up button on the upper right corner of the screen, and you will be redirected to the registration site, where you must input your email address, first name, last name, address, date of birth, gender, ethnicity, and then the password. It's very easy to get started, and then you'll be able to make so many money here already. It's absolutely free to get started, so you don't even have to worry about anything. One more cool method for bringing in cash with this site is to utilize the reference program, and they, likewise, have a free reward if you guarantee a sign up from whoever you are able to refer the site to. Every time you get someone to sign up, you get $5. If you can urge 10 people to sign up every day, that's $50 every day. So as you can see, there are a lot of things you can do to take advantage of this money-making method. All you have to do is try. So that's all the websites we have for you today. The best part about this is that if one doesn't work for you, there are a lot of other methods that you can try out as an alternative. You don't have to give up. Making money online is very easy these days, so don't be scared to try new things. You won't lose anything. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I'm able to help you find a new way to make some income online. As always, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Maybe share this with your friends and be able to help out others too.